The past 9 consecutive years have been recorded to be 9 out of the 25 hottest global average temperatures in history. We've already exceeded the safest level of emissions in the air, and we continue to put ourselves and our entire Earth in danger. A 3 to 4 degrees Celsius increase in the global average temperature can eliminate up to 85% of the European wetlands and all the open waters in the prairie in the U.S. We are beginning to see the implications of global warming. We continue to ignore the fact that global warming is a pressing issue, and it's time to take action and acknowledge it. There's more carbon dioxide in the air than there has been in the past 800,000 years. Global warming is the acceleration of the Earth's temperature due to greenhouse gases and burning fossil fuels that are getting trapped in the atmosphere. Human activity is responsible for 90% of this phenomenon. Not only do we have to suffer, but everything else on this planet does too. Now you may be thinking, how does this affect me? Well, it does in many ways, and more severely than you may think. When countries go completely underwater due to the rising sea levels from the melting ice caps in the Arctic, you will know how it affects you. The effects of global warming is taking its toll on our beloved Earth, as well as everything in it. Wildfires, droughts, tropical storms, and floods are all symptoms of the Earth's sickness. A huge focus is on the melting ice caps. And no, not the ice caps from Tim Hortons, I'm talking about the ones in the Arctic. Not to mention the endangerment of multiple species and the destruction of the coral reefs. If the oceans die, we die. Also, we have to take into consideration how we're going to survive if the rainforests don't survive. They're the lungs of our Earth. They regulate the temperature of our Earth, and they convert carbon dioxide to oxygen for us. They are also home to thousands of species, but it's predicted that the Amazon rainforest will be wiped out in about 10 years. The reasoning behind cutting down all the rainforests is to support our human habits, such as raising livestock for animals for us to eat. We are destroying the Earth. Believe it or not, we, as human beings, do not own the Earth. We are all connected, everyone and everything. What we do to the environment will come right back around to us, affecting many other species along the way. As a snowboarder, I spend most of my winter outside, freezing my butt off in negative 15 degrees Celsius weather. But you know what? I never wish I was anywhere else. I can easily say that I unshamingly enjoy the cold weather, because that's the beauty of nature, and something that I love doing depends on it. It devastates me seeing the winters getting shorter and more inconsistent every year. Do you know how many times I've heard someone say, wow, this warm weather is so nice, yet it's December and it should be below freezing. It's not nice, it's horrifying. Warming is happening right now and it should not be ignored. It's already been taking its effect. The winters are getting shorter and it's not natural. What would Canada be without its negative 25-degree winters? That would mean no more snow days, no more pond hockey, outdoor skating, skiing, snowboarding, and no more experiencing the natural beauty of winter. Global warming is not a later problem or someone else's, it's all ours. We need to be aware of our actions, conserve resources, and cut down on livestock, because global warming is an issue that needs to be addressed.